Dear young man, the moment she says it's over, quickly get up and show her the door for her to use. Don't go about begging her. If she threatens you that she wants to leave, give her a ride out of your heart. After then, don't call, don't text, don't beg, just let her go. Of course, I'm not saying it's going to be easy, but already Earth is hard and you must learn to live in the hardiness. That's what makes you a man. The ability to endure pain and walk through it until you come out victoriously. Men are made out of pain, toughness, and hardness. No pain, no gain. It's only when your soft heart is broken so many times that you will know how to manage and even teach others how to be strong. Endure it, tolerate it. Many men have been there before, but they conquer. If she's not interested in you anymore, no matter how much you love her, still let her go and chest the pain. Life, move on, stop being a simp. After then, she will expect you to beg, cry, call and text her. Don't do that shit. Shock her to her bone marrow. Let her be disappointed to the point where she begins to think that she was never important to you before. Your silence and nonchalant behavior will send her to an emotional roller coaster of low self-esteem. Let her know that without her, you can do absolutely well. Man must have mind, learn to move on fast and stop being a slave to your fickle emotions.